Now we start with the practical number 6. Right? Write a program to apply the following morphological operation on the image. So we all know the morphological operations, right? We have a 4 morphological operations. The first is your erosion, second dilation, third opening, and fourth is your closing. So these 4 are the morphological operation. Okay, so now in this practical we only have to understand the 2 basic operations, that is opening and closing. So now the formula for opening operation is, so in this case first we apply erosion, then after applying the erosion we apply the dilation. तो अगर सपोज फर्स्ट इज योर erosion and then you are applying the dilation, so this is called as opening. And then closing is the reverse of the opening. First we apply dilation and then we apply erosion, so this is called as closing. Okay, all the morphological operations, right, uses a structuring element, right? We have to use the structuring element. So now in case of the practical number 6a, right, we will see the code of the opening operation of morphological processing. Okay, so now in this case we are first reading the image, right? This is my image read, I am read, this is the image, or we will pass the path here, or directly write your name of the image if the code and the image are on the same folder. Okay, so now I am read is basically used to read the image. Right? Now the most important part of this practical is your defining the structuring element. To define the structuring element, right, in Skylab we have a inbuilt function str, structuring element. This is my inbuilt function, right, structuring element. Up now we have a 4 categories of structuring element, right? Mainly 4 categories are there. Either we can use 3x3 square structuring element, then 5x5 square structuring element. Yeah, we can call it square, or we can call next cross, and then diamond. So based on the application requirement, you use a different structuring element. Okay, so in this case we are using square, right, of 11. So these are the 2 parameters of structuring element. So now we start with the opening, right? In case of opening, what happen? We will first do the erosion, right? So as we can see here, there is an inbuilt function I am erode. This is my inbuilt function in Skylab. This function is used for erosion, and the erosion will be between input image and the structuring element. So as we can see here, we are passing the input image IM and the structuring element SC. So now this will return the answer of the erosion. So in case of erosion, right, if structuring element fits, in case of erosion, if the structuring element fits on the image, right, we substitute or we replace the pixel with the 1. If it is not fit, matlab it is hits, in that case we substitute 0. So this is the working of erosion. Okay, so now the answer of this erosion is stored in IM2. Now using the same structuring element, we apply the dilation, IM dilate. Again, this is one of the library or function, right? In this case the dilation is applied on erode image. This is my erosion image, so IM2 and using the same structuring element. So this is my output of the opening, right? Now we will print the original image and the opening image. This is a syntax to display the image. Okay, now in case of closing, again we are reading the image, right? We are defining the structuring element. Now in this case we first do the dilation. So what happen in case of dilation? If structuring element touches the image, touches means if one of the element is matches, right? one अगर एक भी match हो गया तो the answer is 1, right? Touches, that means if one of the element is matches with the image, then we substitute 1, otherwise 0. So now, so first we apply the dilation on the image. This is my input image, and then on the dilated image we apply the erosion, and again original image and close image will display. So this is the basic description of the opening and closing morphological processing operation in the image processing. Now we execute this practical in Skylab. Okay, so this is my Skylab. Now we create a file, SCI notes. This is my area where we can write the code in the Skylab. So now this is the code of the erosion. As we can see here, this is my erosion code. Just copy it. So now this all are the libraries. IamRead, IamErode, IamDilate. These are the inbuilt functions, right, that are available in the Skylab. Okay. So now we will take the image, right. For that, go to the practicals, and this, right. We have this image img1, and the extension of the image is JPG, I think so. Okay, JPG. So now we will first copy the path of this image. Just copy it, and instead of this we will write our path and then /img1.jpg. This is my image. Okay. So now we will execute this code, right? This is a code for opening, right? Just save the file. You have to save. You can save this file on any folder. Right? So I am I'm saving this file in image processing, practicals, and then this is my opening. Okay, now let us execute this code. To define the structuring element in MATLAB, right? We have a structuring element strel, right? That function, right? But in Skylab, right, to define the structuring element in Skylab, we have a test max function. So instead of this strel, right, we use test matrix. This function we have to use. Okay. So now we execute the code. As we can see here, when we execute this code, this is my opening of image, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? What happen in this case? First, right, erosion operation will perform, right? Erosion will execute, and then the erode image, using the same structure element, we will apply the dilation. So after dilation, we will get this answer. Okay. Now next we will see the second part of this practical, that is your closing operation, right? So in case of closing, we will first apply the dilation element, dilation operation. So what happen in case of dilation? If the structuring element touches the image, then answer is 1, otherwise 0. that means element, a structuring element if touches, it is not fit, only it is touches the image, then the answer is 1, otherwise the answer is 0. So now we apply the dilation first and then we apply the erosion. So this is the closing operation. As we can see here, right, we have an image, right. First of all, we will change the path of the image, right. So this is my image path, right? We can take this image, copy the path and paste here, and slash, just write down the name of the image with its extension JPG. So this is my image, right. Now again I am using a same structuring element, that is my square shape structuring element, right. We are first applying the dilation on the image using the same structuring element, square, then erosion, right. On this IM2 we apply the erosion or using the same structuring element, and then subplot, right, original image and then close image. Okay, so this is my basic practical of the morphological operation closing. Now we execute this code, right. First of all we will save this code, then just save it. This is my closing. As we can see here, right, the image gets closed, right. In opening the image gets darker, right. Opening में क्या होगा, darker होगा, but in this case, right, in case of closing you will get the output like this.